Number 5.
Dirty Mary, crazy Larry, right on.
Gonna eat your lunch, you long-haired. You remember Robert Mitchum in Thunder Road? I'm gonna powder his face.
Dirty Mary,
I think someone's knocking on the door.
crazy.
Number 4.
This is Maindry and Pace, #1 car thief in America. He'll steal anything, anytime, as long as it's insured.
Read my horoscope this morning.
His front, insurance investigation. His business, stealing cars. And now he's got to fill the biggest contract yet.
We gotta deliver over 40 cars to the docks by Saturday.
That's a sad story.
Should have listened.
You can lock your car, but if he wants it, it's gone in 60 seconds.
Number 3.
Now give the Texarkana and back in 28 hours. That's no problem.
It ain't never been done before.
Well, if you make this run for me, it's 400 cases. That comes to about $80,000. Make it 28 hours.
$80,000. $80,000.
Bandit! Eastbound and down, load it up and truck it. We gonna do what they say.
We're about 28 minutes ahead of schedule.
Come back.
I hate to say I told you so. Well, now don't lose your head, son. We still got a lot of boogieing to do. Now put the pedal to the metal.
Number 2.
Two men on opposite sides of the law. Ryan O'Neal, Bruce Dern, and between them, Isabella Johnny. 3 loners playing a ruthless game none of them could afford to lose. In The Driver. Ryan O'Neal is the driver.
My line of work is kind of hard to come by.
His reputation, the best wheelman in the city.
Did you ever get caught on one of your jobs?
Hasn't happened yet.
Number 1.
Name, Kowalski. Occupation, driver. Transporting a supercharged Challenger from Denver to San Francisco. Background, Medal of Honor winner, Vietnam. Former stock and bike racer. Former cop, dishonorably discharged. Now he uses speed to get himself up. Get himself gone. Everybody's after Kowalski.
There goes the Challenger being chased by the blue meanies on wheels.
Everybody wants a piece of his hide.
Like anything you want.